Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and taking care of your health and doing study also regularly. Uh, Students, our PT1 is also coming. So today we will do revision of chapter 1 and 2. Before starting our revision, let me tell you about PT1. All the question answers will be based on MCQ pattern. So we will start today lesson surprise party. This is the first chapter titled An Unexpected Party from the Hobbit. The story starts with Bilbo hurrying towards the door after hearing the doorbell. He was expecting Gandalf, but to his surprise, a blue-bearded dwarf named Dwalin appears before him. Bilbo is flustered but invites Dwalin inside for tea. A little later, he hears another knock on the door and finds another dwarf, Balin, Dwalin's brother. Again he invites Balin to come in. In this manner, he lets a total of 13 dwarfs into his house. Dwalin, Balin, Fili, Kili, Dori, Ori, Oin, Gloin, Bifur, Bofur, Bomber and Thorin, who is a haughty dwarf. Gandalf arrives along with the last 4 dwarfs. All 13 dwarfs ask for food and Bilbo is greatly annoyed, yet he serves them with patience. Though the dwarfs appear ill-mannered, yet they treat Bilbo's house and belongings with great care. The dwarfs' boisterous singing and play along with the actual respect they pay to Bilbo's home establishes them as not only fun-loving and disorderly, but also as having a deep sense of honor and respect. The scene also portrays how to be both a good host and a good guest. Let's revise our word meanings. Throng, a crowd or a large group of people. Wit, the ability to think or make sense. Goblin, a small imaginary creature that tricks people or causes trouble. Buttered scone, a round cake. Staff, a long stick used for support. Stumped off, walked noisily in anger. Dungeon, a dark underground room used as a prison. Cavern, a large cave. Who was Bilbo expecting? Bilbo was expecting Gandalf. Who was the first dwarf to visit Bilbo? The first dwarf was Dwalin to visit Bilbo. How did Bilbo react when the visitors started pouring in? Bilbo was taken by surprise as he was not expecting so many dwarfs but only Gandalf. What does throng mean? Throng means crowd or a large group of people in one place. Who did Gandalf finally arrive with? Gandalf finally arrived with Thorin, an enormously important and proud dwarf. Who was the poor little hobbit? The poor little hobbit was Bilbo Baggins. Dwalin at your service, he said with a low bow. Who was Dwalin? Dwalin was the first dwarf to arrive at Bilbo's house. He had a blue beard tucked into a golden belt. Where was Dwalin when he said this? Dwalin was standing at the door of Bilbo's house. Now, chapter 2, poem Hide and Seek. This poem starts with a child who confidently challenges his friends to find him as he is sure that no one in his hide and seek group would be able to win. The boy is hiding in the toolshed, which is dark, with a salty smell around him. The poet tells the boy that he should curl himself so that his feet are not visible as he hides behind the sacks of sand. Further, the poet cautions him that if he does start shouting again, he would risk drawing attention to his hideout. Another problem is the cold floor, but then children who would be searching him out would look near the bushes, and so the poet advises the boy to be careful not to sneeze. Finally, the seekers come, and the boy does hear them mutter and stumble. After listening to a series of quick commands, the boy holds his breath, shuts his eyes, and hopes that they would not find him. Soon the voices fade as the children move away. Finally, after a long time, the boy decides to come out. However, he finds the garden empty and all quiet. All the children had gone home without him. The poet narrator now asks him where his friends are. Thus, the poem ends on a note of mystery about the boy and his false notions of being a winner. Revised word meanings. Toolshed, a small building in a garden. Scuffle of words, indistinct exchange of words. Frowning, bringing your eyebrows closer together so that lines appear on your forehead. Stir, move slightly. Where is the child hiding? The child is hiding in the tools in a garden. The child is hiding in the tools in a garden. How is the shed described? The shed is described as a dark, dingy place not frequently used. The sacks in the shed smell of seaside and it is cold inside. It has dark, damp smell of the sand. What shows you that the shed is uncomfortable? The dark, damp smell, the cold and the general atmosphere of the poem indicate that the tools in not a comfortable place. So children, you have to revise your exercises also and question answers, word meanings. Have a nice day. Thank you.